back to a new video on my channel. This time I'm having a little problem. I have a fungus on my apple tree and it is mildew. And as you can see here, this is mildew. You can see the powdery stuff on the leaf, and the leaves are turning brown and going to fall off. This is the difference between the good leaves and the bad leaves. Good. And this is the bad leaf. It's a fungus, and I'm going to try to make it fungus free. And there are a couple of options I am trying out here. The first one I'm going to try out for you is with milk. This bottle has water in it, and I'm going to use a little bit of milk, mix it together in a spray bottle, and I'm going to spray it all over the leaves. And for this video I will leave the bad leaves on so we can see if this helps or not, because I want to try a few things. And this is the first thing I'm going to try with milk. Only milk and water. Just spray the leaves all together, the bottom and the top of the leaves, so everywhere. And I want to try a few other things, but in a week time I will show you if the leaves with the most mildew on it, if they survive or not, but we will see. And now we're going to a day further. This is the next day, and as you can see, the leaves are a little bit more leaf color like, a little bit less mildew on it, but there's still mildew on it, so I'm spraying it again. And I'm doing that for a week. If there is not any results after a week, I will try another thing. But first, I'm going to try this for a week, and I will show you what the end result is. Just spraying all the leaves. And I'm going to show you the results after a week, of course. So I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.